Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Sorry.
I got you back.
Oh, you do? Okay. I'm a little stuck, I think. Okay. Thank you. That's it. Right up here.
Yeah, you go. Oh, turn too tight.
Too tight.
Little straighter.
Okay, a little straighter.
Go back.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a reminder, this is a sold-out train. That means every seat will be used. The bag next to you, above and below for storage.
I'm gonna hop off and then put it in.
You guys going right here, right?
Yes, please.
Good. Get yourself settled in here, right?
Thank you, dear.
I'm sorry. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen?
Just 1 second, I'm gonna leave that there.
Thank you. All the stuff next to you, above and below for storage.
1 second, please.
You want to sit down and grab Oreo? I'll blend you some seats down. Thank you for your patience.
Well, lots of bags. Lots of bags. All right. The other train was a little bigger, wasn't it?
A little bit. At least the cab where we were sitting was.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to turn your key off.
Yes, please.
Okay.
As long as we can keep the scooter within the lines. Do you see there's a white line down there?
Yep.
I can pull the wheel over. Okay. Great. Awesome. You can leave that right there for now.
You good?
Yes,
We are
great.
good.
Thank
Yes,
you.
very much. Thank you.
Only thing is this quiet car.
Yeah.